Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Here we have MEVD 17.2.4 and we are trying to clone this computer from this one here to another one that is there. So stay with me. Here we're going to use the Hexprog connect power on it, USB and power ground. You're gonna have a backup. You see here 29 sector, 32 sectors, BMW. If you come to choose this one, you're gonna go and look at the part number. You see the part number 0261 S08602. You will get everything now. You see now I have a backup. I'm gonna write down, give any name. This one here I'm going to give name what? BMW MS.2.4 space hold on. Where is he from?
California.
California. This guy from Indianapolis, right?
Minneapolis, Minnesota. MN.
Indianapolis. I'm gonna just put it there, and this is a backup. I will save it. Backup Indianapolis. Hopefully I don't write it wrong. I'm gonna save it, and now you can read the ISN. The ISN is if you want to program a key and you are not sure where is the ISN. All you need to do is to read the ISN. When you try to program the key, it will give you the ISN number. So to write it down. It takes some time, but it will give you the VIN number. Hold on. So right now, like this one, you're going to read the ISN number, configure it. You see there is no response from ECU. Please check wiring. I don't know why it doesn't want to read, but it's okay. We already back up the computer. We have the software. I'm going to go and disconnect this one here and transfer my wiring to the donor car. See the donor car, everything is the same part number. Even S0N 062, right? Yeah, everything's the same. So we're gonna try to go and now take the information from there and put it here. What I need to do is, it's better to disconnect everything. So you have a space. Also, there is some tools that you can use it. You just clip on it. Now there is a clipper. You just bring them and you just put the clip. You don't need to worry about it. So right now, I'm going to disconnect the power and let's go now. Same way, I will go to the wiring.
Okay, ready?
Hey, brother.
Mohamed?
Hold on, please.
Okay.
So here, inshallah, so here is the information and we are going to connect them. Same thing, we're going to take one by one. We're going to take the ground, we're going to take the can high, can low. All this, we're going to put them together. And then we try to read it. There is a lot of companies there that they do this job. Each company have its own way of reading, writing. Even what is that? 608 they have it. Lunch they have it. You just name it. You see here we are putting all these wires together. Just try to be sure you have to put it good. And then what we need to do also, this one we can back it up too. We can back up this one, and after we back it up, we can come back and consider to rewrite it again. So stay with us, please. Okay, so we have everything there. So now This is the one from the donor. I just want to be sure that it's from the same, but it doesn't matter, the part number is the same. So I got to close this one here, and I will go to read. Okay, I cannot read anything. I have to put my power. Everything good. Read it now. If you can read it or not, this is from a junkyard. Also, it helped to know that if it is there, I'm gonna wait. I try to read the information, it doesn't work, it's not a problem, but we are trying to go back, initialize the system, and come back with a different way. But it doesn't want to read the ISN, it's okay. Okay, I try to read it, it doesn't want to read, but it's okay. I gotta go to backup. I want to be sure I will be able to read it. If I'm reading the backup, okay. But this computer is good. Initialize communication, please wait. Sometimes you have to turn everything out, turn the computer off, then you come back. You see now, it cannot read. So you have to be sure that all the connections are okay. Okay, I don't believe you have problem with the connection, but we're gonna, don't take it out, we're gonna wait till me. So we got it here. We have a little bit of confusion here. We are able to fix that. So now let's go click here, and we're gonna say backup. No, we're just gonna back up. If you are able to back it up, you need to read ISN. We're gonna try that later on. Initialize communication mode. You see, unlock the ECU. It's already going. So we're gonna back up, and then we're gonna restore. Backup, we're gonna just put the same name before, MDV 17.2.4 junkyard Indianapolis, and then the next one is gonna be the writing. Stay with us. Okay, right now I just finished the other one. Backup, gonna back it up here. I'm gonna say junkyard. Okay, I'm gonna write the name and save it. I did everything. Let me read the ISN. Just I want to show you something. If you can give me the ISN. So yeah, I see now reading the ISN. You see, he give me the ISN. You see? Now I'm gonna, you know why I did this one? I'm gonna say okay, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna go back, restore. What do you want to restore? You know, go down. Backup. You see MEVD 7.2. I'm looking for MEVD 17.2.4. It's supposed to be somewhere here. Let me give one show. Okay. Look here. This one here?
No, this is the junk.
Junkyard, I don't need it, right?
What is this?
So that's junkyard one. It's supposed to be up a little bit. This one here?
Yeah, this one.
This one here?
Yeah,
original, right? Click. Open. Now you're gonna stay and look at it. He will take over right away. Some computers, they will give you the data and they ask you, do you want it is here? Writing flash. Okay. Okay. Completed. Now I'm gonna go back. Okay. I did that one. So, but I just want to show you something here. I'm gonna go back to bench mode again. What I need to do is very simple. I want to read the ISN now. If the ISN come different from what we have before, that means totally, it is already, the computer write down the different information. You see now, EFDD. EFDD, this is the ISN for the original car. Case close. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'm gonna disconnect. Where I'm gonna start anyhow. Power, yeah, take the power. Take this one too. And take it out. Yes. Now we have this ready to go. I don't know what's gonna happen, but he know his stuff. If this is related to the junkyard, this is the old one. Old one. This is they all gonna work. But that one, when the other one, we open it now. This one, this also the old one. So they become family now here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And see you in another video. And thank you for your support. Thank you.